Welcome to the steepest residential street on planet Earth, Baldwin Street in Dunedin, New Zealand. At first glance, it looks like a normal neighborhood road, until you realize it tilts at a mind-blowing 37.45% incline. That means for every 2.86 meters forward, the ground rises 1 full meter straight up. It's so steep that the surface had to be made of concrete instead of asphalt, because in hot weather, regular pavement would literally slide down the hill. This street is only about 350 meters long, but it has become a global icon. Tourists walk it, run it, bike it, and even roll candy and giant Easter eggs down it during local festivals. Houses here are built at angles that make furniture look crooked, and front yards feel like climbing walls. In 2019, Guinness World Records officially named Baldwin Street the steepest street in the world, taking the title back from a town in Wales after a heated debate. From drone shots, Baldwin Street looks almost unreal, like someone tilted the world just for fun. Whether you see it as a geographic wonder, an architectural challenge, or just a crazy place to live, one thing is certain: nowhere else on Earth looks or feels quite like this street.